Hello, my name is denice huaniri. I live in the city of Leticia, Amazonas. I am 27 years old and work as a control in the Alfredo Vasquez Cobo. My favorite activity is playing soccer and listening to music, going out with my family. My favorite clothes as sport clothes because they are comfortable to go off sport and walking. I already at my family. My partner is Natalie Vega. My son is Gabriel Vega. And my brother is Felix Juaniri. Natalie work in hotel, in table, and bar. Gabriel has 3 years or and he is in a kindergarten where he is thanking Carol and Felix is a person whose disability I love him and is I love my family. I love you, my family. And I was born on April in the city of Leticia, the happiest day of my life when I go home after years of being and I learned that when you want it, you can do it up. Thank you. Bye.